The Motorola Razr Plus, also known as the Razr 40 Ultra in some regions, is a remarkable upgrade in the foldable phone market. Combining nostalgia with cutting-edge features, this device offers a compact design, functional external display, and solid everyday performance. The Razr Plus retains the iconic flip phone design, but with modern engineering. It features a durable aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus protection, giving it a premium feel. The hinge mechanism is robust and smooth, allowing for effortless flipping. IP52 rating protects against minor splashes but lacks dust resistance. Available in vibrant color options, including a vegan leather finish on select models, enhancing grip and aesthetics. Ultra-slim design when folded, making it one of the most pocketable smartphones. Main screen, a 6.9-inch pulled panel with a 165 Hz refresh rate delivers stunning visuals. Colors are vibrant, and the display feels smooth and responsive. Cover screen, the 4-inch pulled cover display is the largest in its category, offering exceptional functionality. You can run apps, access widgets, and preview notifications, making it highly versatile. The crease on the inner screen is minimized and is barely noticeable during daily use. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, the Razr Plus offers fast and reliable performance for multitasking, gaming, and app usage. The combination of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Motorola's lightweight software ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks, from browsing to video streaming. App loading times are quick, and animations are fluid. Configurations go up to 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, ensuring plenty of space and power for demanding users. Runs near stock Android 14 with Motorola's useful customizations like gestures and a cover screen UI. The experience is smooth and clutter-free. 50MP primary sensor delivers decent images with good detail and color accuracy in daylight. 50MP ultrawide adds versatility but can be inconsistent in low light. The 32MP inner camera is average compared to competitors. The camera system is good for casual photography but falls short of flagship-level performance, especially in low light. The 4000 mAh battery is sufficient for moderate users but might struggle under heavy use, especially with the always-on cover display. The battery provides a full day of moderate usage, including web browsing, social media, and calls. Heavy usage, especially gaming or extended video playback, may require a midday recharge. Supports 45W turbo power charging, which provides a decent top-up speed but is slower compared to some competitors offering 65W or higher. Limited to 15W wireless charging, which feels outdated and is much slower than the industry standard. Pros: premium build and compact design. Versatile and fully functional external display. Smooth performance and excellent displays. Improved hinge durability. Cons: average camera performance, especially in low light. Older Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. Slow wireless charging and limited battery capacity for power users. Conclusion: the Motorola Razr Plus is a significant improvement in the foldable space, standing out with its large and versatile external display, premium design, and smooth performance. While its cameras and charging speeds are average, the overall package is compelling for users seeking a compact and stylish device.